Hello, hello, hello. I'm so excited to be back with y'all today. Let me get this page set up so I can see everything. So say hi when you're here. Let me know that everything is working and that I'm actually live. It's been forever, so maybe I forgot how. But I'm very excited to be back with y'all. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I can't wait to talk and chat and hear what everyone has been up to since December. So it is like mid-February here. It is February. I don't know how that happened. I'm super excited to finally be back with y'all. Hi, Deborah. I would have been back a couple weeks ago, but I've been fighting a backache, so I'm super glad to be back with you and able to move and share some beautiful fabrics. Hi, Sarah. And I'm so excited to hear what everyone's been up to. So drop a comment. Tell me what you've been sewing since December and what kind of fabrics you're loving working with and all the things. Share all of your lives with me because it's my favorite part about going live. I did tons of sewing before I left. I don't know if you remember, but I was in Denver for most of January, and I did tons of sewing before I left. It was so exhilarating and exciting. I made a winter jacket, which I still haven't photographed. I made a bunch of underpants because we all need them, and goodness, I needed them. I made a couple of tops. It has been so fun. It was so fun to get back into sewing. And really just spend a bunch of time on it. And then I spent a few weeks in Denver pet sitting for a friend, and I picked up some other crafts because I didn't have a sewing machine. So I did a diamond painting, and I learned jewelry stamping, like metal stamping for jewelry, which was fun, and I'm terrible at, but it's delightful. Hi, Linda. Goodness. And so tell me what you've worked on. Tell me what you're doing. I am going to be sharing our mystery boxes with you today, so you can see what's in them and how they work and why they're amazing. And Deborah, I love the cotton spandex for underpants in particular. That is my favorite. For underpants, it's got great recovery, it's really soft, and everything is happy with cotton spandex. Natural fibers are going to be your best friend when you're sewing for your undercarriage. Oh no, I'm so sorry you're getting frozen out. I hope it's not my internet. It says it's okay, but that doesn't mean anything, does it? It doesn't mean anything at all. Let me know if it's my end, if everybody's experiencing some glitchy issues, or if it's Facebook or something being dumb. Hi, Vicky. So yeah, I'm going to talk about a mystery box today because we have these amazing mystery boxes on the site, and I think that they're a little bit unique compared to other mystery boxes you might find because while you're ordering a mystery, when it arrives, you actually get an invoice with a list of all the fabrics that are included, so you don't have to worry about, well, I don't know what this is, so I don't know what to use it for. You open it up and it tells you what everything is, which is so nice. Hi, Shayna. So let me talk through the anatomy of a mystery box. You get a box of fabric that contains at least one knit fabric and at least one woven fabric. So you won't get all knit or all woven, you'll get a little bit of both. And they all contain a different weight of fabric. So you won't get all double brush poly or all midweight fabrics. You'll get a little bit of lightweight, a little bit of middleweight, and a little bit of heavyweight fabric in most of them. The fabric cuts won't be any smaller than a yard, but they also won't be any larger than 3 yards. So they're really useful lengths for most people. You're not going to open it up and be like, cool, there's a 1/4 yard of fabric. What do I do with that? Which I find really helpful because I struggle with weird cuts. Hi, Diane. Hi, Lucy. So the fabrics, they won't coordinate. They're full mystery. We just kind of grab beautiful fabrics that we think give you a good variety of options. So they won't necessarily coordinate, but they are each individually beautiful fabrics that we love and are excited about. So the packing list that I talked about, it comes with a little packing list that'll tell you what each fabric is and how much there is of it. So if you're not sure, if there's 2 plaids in your box and you're not sure which one is which, but one is long and one is short, you'll know that as well. So it's really helpful to break down what's in your box so you can either know what to do with it, or you can ask in the group, hey, I've got this fabric and I don't know what to do with it. So we have 2 different sizes. We have a medium and a big fabric mystery box. So the medium comes with 8 yards and the big comes with 12 yards. The medium is going to be $50, so it's a really great deal for 8 yards of fabric. Like, that is a crazy good deal. And then 12 yards of fabric in the big box is only $75. So it's a really good steal on fabrics. Lucy, into the website, if you go ahead and email us at info@slyfoxfabrics.com, we will do everything we can to help you. Annette, good morning from Wisconsin. Love Wisconsin. So I have a mystery box here to walk you through. So this is going to be a medium mystery box, which I have jammed into the smallest box it can fit in. And so it comes really beautifully. Everything is folded. It's in a nice plastic bag to protect it from weather. I don't know about y'all, but sometimes my stuff gets left in the rain, which is not great. And then it comes in a great bag with an invoice right on top. It is a really good size box. It fits so much if you just jam it in. It fits so much, which is really nice. So I'm gonna show you the invoice first. So it comes and it tells you what each of the fabrics are and how much yardage there is right over here. So if you have 2 plaids and one's a 1 yard cut and one's a 3 yard cut, you'll be able to know which one is which is really nice. And this really is helpful, so you can go to the website and look up fabric content. You can post in the group and ask questions. What else have people made from them? So it's really great to identify what the fabrics are in the box. So from this box, we have a 3 yard cut of this beautiful yellow plaid bubble crepe. So I'm going to tell you what the content is, but you can go to the website to find this information from your mystery box. This is a poly spandex blend. It's 110 GSM, so it's nice and lightweight. I love bubble crepe. It's so beautiful. It's so easy to work with. And it's soft and it's comfortable and it's easy to wear. So it's really just the best, I think, of all the worlds. This is nice and wide. This is a 57-58 inch wide woven, which I love because so many wovens are 45 inches and I am not 45 inches. So it takes a lot of fabric for me as a plus size person to make a woven garment. But these nice 55 to 60 inch wide fabrics are wonderful. Just wonderful. This is not stretchy, even though it does have a little bit of spandex in it. That's just wearing comfort. It doesn't really actually stretch. It's just a little bit of ease while you're wearing it. And then if you want to know the coordinates, you can always check the website for which of our solid double brush polys will coordinate with that. So that is a 3 yard cut in this mystery box. So a great cut of a woven so you can make something really beautiful, which is awesome. And then next on the list is a 1 yard cut of this double brush poly cinnamon, which is beautiful. It kind of looks like it matches the red spandex that I'm wearing, but this is our cotton spandex, not the cinnamon double brush poly. But this is a poly spandex blend. It's 190 GSM. It's a pretty typical double brush poly weight. Oh, it's beautifully folded. I just love a good fold on fabric. It's always just so worth it. This color is stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. This has 100% horizontal stretch and 50% vertical stretch. So super versatile fabric. I love a good solid. I need more solids in my life always. So it's really nice to have that great 1 yard cut for a good basic top or a cute little skirt. Hi, Stephanie. Next on the list in the mystery box is this beautiful poly cotton spandex in dark gray. I love this fabric. I have a workout tank out of this that I just absolutely adore. This is a poly cotton spandex blend. It's soft, but it's stable. Like it's sturdy, not stable. That's the wrong word. So this one is 175 GSM, so it's a great top weight. It's got 75, it won't unfold, it's got 75% horizontal and 40% vertical stretch, so it's really lovely weight and versatility to make whatever you'd like. I think I need to make some yoga pants out of this. And this one is a 2-yard cut, so nice and useful, enough fabric to get an item or 4 out of it, depending on what you're making. And it's just so rich and beautiful. I love this gray. And then in this mystery box, the last fabric is going to be a poly rayon spandex rose floral print. Ugh, this is one of my favorite fabrics. So this is a poly rayon spandex blend. No surprise there, it's in the name. Yes, Shane, it's so helpful to be able to touch them when you hear about them, so you can kind of feel what I'm saying. You can feel what I'm saying. So this is 180 GSM. It's great for tops and dresses. Oh, I think I need a twirly dress out of this. This is so beautiful. This is 2 yards, so this is the last of those 8 yards in the box. And it's so soft. The rayon really gives it a beautiful bounce and a great softness, which is just lovely. It has 50% horizontal stretch and 25% vertical stretch, and so many coordinates on the website. So if you want to pick a coordinate to go with this, super, super easy. And to be fair, this beautiful cinnamon is one of the coordinates. So you already have a coordinate right in this mystery box, which works out really well. We are going to be choosing one of the comments from this video to win a mystery box. Might not be this box, but it'll be an 8-yard medium mystery box, which is great. And I hear what you're saying. There's a woven in every box, and I don't like to sew wovens, is what you're saying. I hear it. I hear it from afar. The perk of that is that we have these beautiful swatch kits that we've now added woven as an option. So we added the knit swatch kits. I think it was 2020, could have been last year, who knows, the time has been crazy, and I don't even know when anything is, but we have these beautiful knit swatch kits already on the website, and we've just added woven. So these are really great because you get a box of 20 or more swatches that include a 4-inch square of fabric, so you can touch it and you can feel it and you can figure out what it's good for your life. And then it has great reference info on the back, which, there we go, the lighting is a little bright, with some great care instructions, general use, that kind of stuff, which is so helpful. I love these types of things for reference, so if it's something I'm not familiar with, and I'm shopping online, I can grab it and go, oh, I want a bathrobe out of this. I want a loungy robe that's so soft out of this beautiful bamboo spandex, and I need it. So we've had the knit ones for quite a while, but we just added wovens to that option. So you can grab a woven swatch kit. Let me get a more exciting color out of the box. That's a beautiful color for some khaki pants if that's what you want, but I'm much happier with this beautiful wool dobby. So you get a 4-inch cut. You can still feel it and touch it with the wovens. It's got great information on the back, just like our knit ones do, but it's 20 or more of our woven fabrics, which is great. And if you haven't already picked up the knit swatch kit and you're interested in the woven, you can get one with both of them in it. So you'll get at least 40 swatch cards, which is it's just so helpful. It comes in a box that you can use to store it if you want. It's super convenient, great for reference. I keep mine alphabetized on the shelf so that I can always just grab it and just, oh, that's the one I'm looking for. It's so helpful. I mean, it just really takes a lot of the scare out of working with fabrics that are unknown and buying fabrics online, because I love shopping online. Online shopping is the best form of shopping, honestly. And this really takes a lot of the fear out of, oh, that looks beautiful. It's the color that I'm looking for this project, but is it the right fabric for this project? For taking some of that mystery out. And I'm going to plug in that over at Rebecca Page, we have a Fabric 101 class right now that is, oh, I don't even remember. I think Sarah Miller is going to drop a link in the chat right now. It is quick videos of all of these fabrics, all of them that we have in the swatch kit boxes. with you, so you can see the fabric being moved. You're going to hear my crazy voice talking about them. There are some bonus classes with some information on how to sew them and some specific projects, and it's such a great tool to have in your disposal for reference. There's nothing that's more helpful to me for learning fabrics than being able to see them move. So there we go. Sarah Miller has our link for us. We have a Fabric 101 course. It's so helpful for just reference, just like being able to watch a 1-minute video on what a fabric looks like when it's moving and hear the information about it, which is so great. Deborah, alphabetized is the way to go, always. Tim or Amy, whomever is watching, I'm so glad to hear that. I absolutely love our swatch kits. I think they're so helpful because of the size of the swatches. Yes, Stephanie, because you can actually feel them and touch them and move them. And it's just such great, quick reference. Oh no. So frozen again. That's so disappointing. So the knit and woven swatch kit and the woven swatch kits are now available on the website, so you can go grab them there. The link to that fabric class is in the comments right here from Sarah Miller. If you are interested, go check it out. I think it's definitely worth it. And that's what I've got for you today. So every comment will enter you to win a random medium mystery box, and we will choose a winner before our next live. But does anybody have any questions? Can I answer anything for you? Do you want to tell me what's on your sewing table? I shared all of my crafting, and I feel like I didn't get enough shares back. I'm totally teasing, but tell me what you've been working on. Share what you're doing. I always love seeing your projects, and share in the group what you're making. I cleaned out my closet last weekend and I found this shirt that I forgot existed, and I'm so excited because I love this shirt. So tell me all the beautiful things so I know what I should sew next, okay? Have fun. Please check out our mystery boxes. They're so good of a deal. I can't believe it. It blows my mind. But thanks for joining me today, and I will chat with you soon, okay? Bye, everybody.